another simple, basic recipe this evening for the weight loss crew. All right. Yeah. So 1 cup of hot water. We're gonna get some lemon peel. Yeah. 1 green tea bag. All right. Yeah. Put some ginger in it. Also, perfect for weight loss. All right. Yeah, man. Tina, big up yourself. Thank you so much. Good vibes, people. So here it is, another basic recipe again from Chef Ricardo. This lemon and green tea bag with a few slices of ginger can help you at home if you want to lose some weight. Yeah. Right. So a lot of people might not even know. See that? Right, even right now, every day I drink this one. I do not want to lose weight or anything, but it's a recipe which is very effective and powerful. Every day I drink a cup of it. All right. Yeah, green tea bag and lemon works very effective, guys. Every day I work one like that. Green tea bag and lemon juice. And the lemon peel is also very good for, you know, the liver and the kidney. You can have to look after those 2 things same way, but also promote weight loss. Excellent, look at that. It's beautiful, man. Just want to get it to the boil. Once it boils, we're good to go. You just drink it naturally. You don't need to add sugar or sweetener or honey inside of it. Naturally. What's going on? Big up yourself, man. Always I support Chef Ricardo. You know, go already. Thank you so much for coming on the show. Yeah. Green tea bag and lemon with some ginger. Very powerful. and I start the process with hot water, guys. All right. Yes, Jen. Yeah, very powerful recipe this evening. Yeah. Yeah. See there? Lemon and green tea bag with some ginger. Here it is. That's what I'm drinking right now too. See that? As you see them, I squeeze out the lemon inside of it. Make it boil up for a little bit. And turn off the cooker. Yeah. You can boil up a little bit. A little bit more heat on it. Excellent. So you guys can see exactly. Alright, so lemon and green tea bag with some ginger, boiling very perfectly. Alright, that's the ginger, that's the lemon. Alright, very powerful recipe for weight loss. Yeah. Turn off the heat. Yeah. So, you guys can see this is what I'm talking about. All right. And this is what I'm drinking right now. Okay. Yeah, man. Very powerful recipe. All right. Now, the reason why I want to do this recipe, special black man need to drink this thing. These things are very good for man. Not only weight loss, because the lemon peel is very good for prostate, guys. All right. We've been here talking about it on a regular basis because of the diagnose why salmon is being going down at the moment with that thing. All right. So yeah, you can see what Chef Ricardo is doing right there. Very powerful. Now, what you can do is, all right, you can cover it for a few minutes, allow it to steam down inside of it. All right. Yeah, this is a very powerful tea for man. Not only just weight loss, guys, but if you're a man and you're listening to me right now, I'm encouraging you. Yeah. All right. So drink up some of these. Ginger and green tea. Very powerful thing for prostate. All right? Good vibes. Excellent. So just remember, guys, also to get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipe to Success. Is available on Amazon at the moment. Here it is. All right, so we take it off, make it steam now for a little bit, and then what you want to do, pour it out. Pour it off like this. All right, yeah, see that? And then what you want to do, don't put no honey inside of it, drink it naturally. All right, let's put some of these back inside of it and let's drink that 2 times a day. I recommend it. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening is very powerful. All right, guys. So when you have your lemon, don't throw them with the peel bit left over. All right, use it. Yeah, use it and make some lovely tea at home. All right, so you guys can see beautiful cup of tea once again from Chef Ricardo this evening in the kitchen with you. Now, if you like this kind of video, you know exactly what to do. Leave your comments, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right, when you use your lemon or your lime, don't throw away the peel. Save the peel and use it to make teas like what I'm doing right here. Yeah, good vibes. And not only that, you can cool it down and drink it as a detoxing water right straight through the day. All right, good vibes, people. Thank you for watching, and please join me tonight for high blood pressure tea. That one gonna be in the next hour time. Big up on yourself. A good vibes.